If you want to have quick access to different things inside of Evernote, then what you can do is you can utilize something called shortcuts. So over here, if I were to go around onto, let's say, this particular tag, and I want to have quick access to this tag, then you can add it to the shortcut right here. So to do that, all you need to do is click and drag out the tag over here in shortcut right here, and you can see that the tag has been added under shortcuts right here. If I were to go around over here onto a particular note right here, and if I want to add that as a shortcut, then you can go around and add that over here in the shortcut section just like this as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here under shortcut. You can also go around over here and collapse or expand the shortcut, and you can see that these shortcuts are here. So if I were to go around over here onto the side of this shortcut, you can press the cross button to remove that out over here just like this as well. And you can go around and click and drag it out under the shortcut right here, as you can see. You can go around, drag it under the shortcut right here, and you can go around and then drag in let's say different shortcuts over here just like this, so that you can have quick access to these particular items right here just like this. So you can go around, expand and collapse, as you can see. If I were to go around over here onto the note options as well, by going on to the more actions button, then over here as well you can see add to shortcut is an option, and you can see the shortcut has been added over here just like this. So that is how you can utilize shortcuts and then manage shortcuts inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.